F it. Going live. Going live. Helo. Dwi'm yn gwbo sut neith stream 'ma. Dwi'n mynd i trio iwsio steering wheel 'ma. Dwi'n gwatsio fi snap. So dwi'n meddwl fydd 'na lot o potsian o gwmpas ne. Os di bod ddim shit up, eisiau chwilio o'r tric. Ocê. Dwi ddim am... Dwi'n meddwl i cachu... Na, Na, dim... Na. Be am hyn? Race ups. Oh my god. I really don't like you. Yeah, I'll access. Yeah. How do we? In that go. Cofio be dwi setio fyny. Push talk. Oh. Enable spotter. Fel mae o. Fel de. Hello Race Labs. Dwi'n yn cofio be. Fel la. Browser. Fel la don. Fel la. Game capture. iRacing. Os yw'n sôn. Am sgynna fi ddim sôn. Oh my god. Good. Dwi'n allan nôl i fewn. game. iCasting. iCasting o hwnna. Dwi'n mynd gentle. Na, gos. Dwi'n mynd gentle. Done. Done. Dos na ddim sain. Hela. Hela. How's my fucking son? Seriously. Pam dos na ddim sôn yn y fucking game ma. Gyd i mynd go. Gyd i mynd fel na. Unexecutable. Be dwi di wneud yn wrong? Pam ti'n mynd capture? O, hwnna dwi'n capture. Class. Iawn. Hwnna'n gweithio. Oes yn fucking sôn. Just neud y hyn. Y hyn. Na, steering wheel fi! Ah, it's gone to shit. It has gone to shit. Okay, sign-wise. Disconnect. Ideal. Oh, dwi'n newid o mistake fi. Dwi'n newid o mistake fi. Because stupid. Because you're stupid. Fel yna. Bang. 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 Yes! Cysio fo. Class. Iawn. Sorted. Na, this is not running. Fucking up. Stream 80% run hwn. Be ti'n mylicio wan? Be ti ddim yn licio wan? Cael chdi lawr. Shit. Look at it. You may join the session. Class. Dwi heb di chwarae gêm a ers fucking oes. Os dwi rwy'n yn gwachio fi, allith rwy'n confirmio ydych gallu clywed fi, Elia. Ydy silky tonal voice fi yn dod drwad? Dwi'n particularly'n poeni amdan byd arall. POV. Experienced driver. Hi guys, we're going to do a track, a hot lap around the Villeneuve race course today. I'm going to tell you about how to gain those times. So sit back and just watch the lap. Remember to have fuck to your son. Sit back and relax. Remember to like and subscribe. System default. I just go with it. Go with it. System default. System default. Done. Yes! Du gobeithio fod y sŵn yr asio yn dod diwedd. Yes, okay, let's go. Just like that.
Car right. Clear.
And third. Ooh. Second. Oh, that's a second. Ooh. That's Blair. Yeah. Slow it. way off the pace under. Whoa, okay.
You cut that corner and got a slow down penalty.
Where am I losing time? Okay, let's have a look. Fuck your on both. Yeah. So. And breathe. Yeah. Class. David. Browser. Can you shut up? Read that. Well, it says. Browser. Oh, okay. Ham, Breathium, and Carl. Copy. Look over there. Let me turn the bar off the thing. Let's say if um um what do we do? Steering wheel, Merrick. Um nah, redeem and 20 um Cliff, walk away though. That's why I put nah, test winner. Nah, nah, nah. Tick a box though. Garage. Um, garage. Transparent apply. deal. Vi har kört video in and sitting. Options. Go on your odds deployment. Or I sing. Reveal.
Amazing offers, delightful deals, and unmissable prices. Find thousands of great daily deals on Amazon.
It's time to retrieve all those files you thought you lost.
If you have data stored on a laptop or computer that no longer
By that one.
Hi folks, and welcome to the IR04 at Montreal. So let's crack on with it.
Second gear. Second gear. Oh, there's the vent there. It's in breaker, am I? First gear. Okay. Så vi fara efter. Fara efter. Oh my god, den rest. Vem är Kina? It's not your fucking pets. Ooh, chicane. Whoa! Pam nes i hwnna'n wrong? Pam nes i hwnna'n wrong?
Right then, fast lap done and dusted, and let me show you the rules tab. Always have a look at this because it will tell you where the off tracks and slowdowns are around here, particularly. Yeah, there's only 2 sections, but make sure you have a read and see what you can maximize out the track limits. Info tab for you, we are using the fixed iRacing Montreal setup, so we are following the fixed series, track temp of 76 Fahrenheit, and moderate usage of 52%. And the lap that I'm actually going to show you is we pitted on lap 15 for some more fuel, came out, did some low 38s, may have had a spin on lap 18, right here actually, Wall of Champions, and then we did a 37.7 and a 37.8, which is just above my head, and the one below that is another 38.2. So if I absolutely get the lap perfectly, I can get into the 37s. Otherwise, it's low 38s for me, I think, a race pace. This is a big risk to reward circuit, and the hairpin down at the bottom is by far the most important corner. To get a good exit, you can literally lose tenths and tenths of a second by getting a bad exit out there, so make sure you get a good exit. Otherwise, above my head with my Discord, where the OLAP, BLAP telemetry and replay file will all be hidden in there for you, so you can see exactly what I've done to get this lap, and I will show you my split times so you can see what sector times I've got as well. So if you are losing the time in a particular sector, you can focus on that one. Otherwise, round here, overtaking slipstream is definitely a thing. This back straight here is massive, so be cautious about that, and lots of spins as well. I'll try and point out the spin caution areas, but yeah, otherwise, let's crack on with the breakdown lap.
Right then, Montreal, and apologies about the voice on the intro. I've had a cold recently, but I sound a bit better now, so let's crack on with it. The tarmacy bit there, about halfway down it, we're standing on the brakes for turn 1. Nice and heavy into here. Take this easy. Do not get the centre of the curbing there. It will bottom out the car, really unsettle it, but compromise turn 1 to maximise the slowest turn 2 in the entire world, but not the slowest corner on the circuit, weirdly. Feed in the power, use all of the track here on the left hand side, and make sure you get a decent exit. Let the car drift over to the right hand side because it's the shortest distance, and we're aiming for that last little marker you can just see there. It is a cheeky little one board sitting there minding his own little business. Car length before it, brake in a nice straight line, and again, avoid this curb as best you can. It will bottom out the car and unsettle you, but make sure you get the car rotated and full power as soon as you can, and watch that wall. You get very close to it, and I have hit it numerous times, so be cautious. Around this little cheeky turn that isn't a turn, nice and flat out through here. Be careful of dive bombs into this corner, it will happen. End of the white wall just before it, brake nice and heavy, use all of the track on the right hand side. Second gear, nicely turn it in, avoid the centre of the curb again. Short shift into third because it will help you minimise wheel spin on this curb here. Find that a lot easier, and you can stay full throttle, which is ideal. Don't drift out too far because all you're doing is elongating the track at this point, and then make sure you hug the inside for the shortest distance to the very awkward, another chicane, surprise, surprise. We are using the barrier here about halfway down it or halfway under the bridge. You're absolutely standing on the brakes. Be careful about locking up and be careful about the rear stepping out here. No white curb on this bit, but you can nick a little bit of the white curb there because you are on full power, so the weight transfer is different. Much more settle the car down on throttle through there. And now it's coming down to the hairpin. This will be another dive bomb central, but make sure if someone does dive bomb you, make sure you get a better exit because you'll be passing by the next chicane on the final corner anyway. The two boards just before it, brake in a nice heavy straight line. Don't lock up any tyres through here, and make sure you get a nice late apex. See, I'm turning in gradually, missing the curb, and then really cranking the turn on, getting that late apex and building that throttle very, very quickly. Unwind the steering, use all the track on the left hand side. Watch out for this annoying little bit of grass that I don't even know why is there. I think it's just it's there so someone can mow it every now and then. Really shouldn't be there because it really straight line our distance down this massive straight, and yeah, this is going to be slipstream central. So this is what I'm pointing. If someone dive bombs you into the hairpin, don't worry about it. Get a better exit, fly past them up here. Now, about halfway between the 3 and the 2 board, probably near the 2 board looking at that, to be honest, braking a nice straight line. Be careful going through here. Little bit of white curb, and get on full throttle as early as you can. But be careful on the first part of that chicane.
Okay. Punish him. Oh, punish him! Hey, diolch yn fawr King Kongs, well done. Am amser nes di... Am amser nes di ddewis sy'n dweud hynna. Fel o'n i'n cael crash. Hwna de. Short shiftio fanna. Diolch am tanysgrifio. Oh my god.
You cut that corner and got a slow down penalty.
A ti as yn oer. Soon again, oh ja, oké. Ik zag het met Ik heb het zo binnen. Ja, maar... OBS wordt iets shitier en... Sign a game. Redelijk filters hoor. Nee, maar redelijk filters. Wil niet redelijk filters nou? Precies. Bill per... Oh my god, ben je van aan? Ben je van aan? Oh, for fuck's sake, je pushe wat hem worden van aan. Oké. Wat doen we de villa daar? Wat gaan we hierheen? Ik maar die... Nee, die moet je. Wat de? Filters. Ja, er is F4. En in Nou, bach wel ella rai fi tweakio fe eto. Dwi eisiau lot o gen efo. Ti'n gweld injan wan, dweud? Ie, mae'n isel. Mae OBS ers 2 updates yn ôl yn ddim yn dda iawn yn capture sign game yn rhywswm. Just practice session di hwn i fydd, so... God, ti ars o'n oer! Dwi'n trio dreifio lap 1 wrth ma'n ffocin ganol o effin ras. Iawn, troi'r lap eto. Dwi'n tyd yn arfer I monitor hefyd. Dwi'n I ditio'r VR. Lot o god ar steering wheel fi. Dwi ar 142 ar hyn o bryd. Sy'n ddim digon da. Na, practice session di hwn. So online practice session. Be ti'n dewis ras? Os ydi fewn i'r sesiynau I gyd, I di weld fod yr rei practice sessions. Ac o hynny ti'n dod i'r gem lle. So, I lle joinio ras, dwi wedi just joinio'r practice session. Ww, that's it. Really, sy'n gallu dod ffain yn neud o. Dwi'n quite licio'r syniad yn y ceir arall o gwmpas. Oes pa gêm dwi'n chwarae, byth yn gallu hwnna. Hwnna fyny. Apparently ti eisiau undershiftio I third o fanna I neud y bit yma lot haws. Ti'n mynd yn wrong yn neud o. Ww, shit. Happens. Dwi wedi dysgu, dim y mistakes yn bwysig. Beth ti'n neud ar ôl y mistake. Ti eisiau berthu turn 1 o fanna I gallu neud. 140... Oce, dwi wedi tynnu eilad o hynna allan. Yeah, to the bit ac yn da ni'n siarad amdano fo. Apparently, ti isio short shifty third ar yr arno fo. Cos os ti ddim, ti wedi unsetlo'r car ar y second a ti wedi ddal ar, ti wedi ffwcio fyny anyway, cos ti o stretch yna ddim digon hir i chdi actually hitio sixth wedyn anyway. So ti'n mynd rili ennill yn byd o fanna. So... Yna beth dwi wedi cael allan ohono fo o gotchad fideos pobl yn neud o. Tears wheel on. So very much show. Dwi'n digon dewr a fanna chwaith. So fama, a dyn ti eisiau mynd third o fama. Ti'n angen, ddim yn teimlo pan ti'n angen third, ti'n cael well run fewn i fama wedyn. So logic ydy, ti'n byth yn second anyway. Os allai gael sub 140, allan ei ras wedyn. Lawr yn teitio'r car. Dwi'n mynd i'w fanna fi'n. Dwi'n colli amser fanna fe. Bits yma gyd am gut. Oce. Ma' hwnna mwy... Os o'n sy'n cael y... Os o'n sy'n... Oce. Isio berthu hwn i chdi cael swing ar hwn. O, to'n... Toi yn hwnna. Beth sy'n handi o'r trac yma ydy mae'r second fel yna, dwi isio third o'na. Ond dwi'n swnio ffyd tag o'n third na di. Mae'n helpu chdi fan o fan. 'di hwnna. Ti angen lawr i first nhw de, bendant de. One 39.38 yna de. Os dwi'n gallu mynd yn gynt de. That was a good lap. Dwi'n meddwl bod ti'n neud yr herbyn yn y rei, ie. Ond dwi'n meddwl bod o'n first gear, dwi'n meddwl bod o'n second gear fewn i first gear, ond dwi'n hitio'r apex yn ganol y trac. A ganol y gongol, a dwi'n meddwl ti eisiau hitio'r apex yn hwyrach ar y gongol. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n troi fewn rhy gynt, a dwi'n meddwl dwi eisiau sweepio fo fewn mwy. Cos dwi'n colli fan'na de. So beth dwi am wneud? Dwi am mynd fewn i sesiwn, dwi'n meddwl. So just practice session dwi'n meddwl. So mae ti'n disgwyl am ras, de? Ti'n mynd fewn i hyn automatic, wyt? Ond ti'n gallu just mynd fewn nhw hefyd, so... Ti'n meddwl colour scheme fi? HKS, we love HKS. I'm all about HKS. Yeah, y boi yma. Dwi'n joio hwn, dwi'n rili argymell i gwachod. I stwff y boi yma. Mae o'n neud stwff... Dwi'n am Jordan ydyn na. Dwi'n licio Japanese cars, dwi'n gwybod, everything's HKS. Boi yma, TDI 99. Mae o'n rili da. Nid o'n ei lap. A dwi'n mynd o'n reid peisa'n rili da i chdi. Chdi cael rhyw fath o sens beth sy'n ymlaen. So... Efo ras. Felly... Dwi'n cael dy window capture. Window capture. Okay. Iawn. Ond ie, mae TDI na, mae very much gyd i lefel chdi a fi. As in, the good stuff. Ond ie, so dwi angen chwarae gem a mwy. Dwi angen chwarae gem a lot mwy. Sbia isel dwi. Colli fo bob season. Da, ti isio go... Ydw i wedi dangos i chdi faint dwi wedi gwario ar y gem a? Dwi isio hwn, ie. Elis, da i angen bod yn rili da yn gem a ni gael rasio hwn. Dwi heb di ddangos i chdi. Iawn, oce. Icon. Iawn. So, na ddangos... Ti'n gwybod faint di prisio stwff yn hwn, wyt? Ti'n gwybod fod o'n... Beidio, 15 quid y trac, 11 quid y car, ie? Iawn? So, meddylia amdano hynna fan pwy dwi'n mynd trwy hyn, iawn? Ges i cash rebate amdan y Porsche Cup. Cos eisiau brynu Porsche Cup. Pwy oedd o'n newid o. So. Iawn. Let's go. Let's show how much I've spent. Okay. So, na i ddweud beth dwi wedi prynu beth sy'n ddim. Wedi prynu. Prynu. Am ddim. Prynu. Hwna di beth gweitha so ar ddim. Prynu. Am 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 ddim. Am ddim. Prynu? Na, am ddim. Am ddim. Am ddim. Prynu. Am ddim. Prynu. So hynna just y ceir o'n i'r tracks. Mae'r tracks yn prynu. Am ddim. Prynu. Prynu. Am ddim. 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 Prynu. Prynu. Am ddim. Prynu. Am ddim. Dwi'n meddwl. Prynu. Am ddim. So, yeah. Ond ddo, dwi eisiau dangos un track i chdi de. Paid y prynu hwn. Cos mae o'n paid y prynu fo. Ond dwi'n joio fo. Test. Dwi'n lyfio hwn. Absolutely lyfio hwn. Anyway. Dwi'n beth slod, de. Mae yna hill climb track yna fo. So, y hill climb track, de. Ydy... Dwi'n hoffi dweud, mae R-Factor yn gweithio gan ei wan. Good carts na fo. Oh, R-Factor 1 to R-Factor 2. Wyt ti efo? R-Factor 1 to R-Factor 2. So beth? Dwi'n mynd gwrs di R-Factor 2 gweithio fi. Dyle fi weld R-Factor 2. Dwi wedi downloadio R-Factor 2. Steam, R-Factor 2. Dwi wedi downloadio fo. Dwi erioed wedi gallu cael R-Factor 2 weithio'n iawn ar hwn. So be, illa na hynna. R-Factor 2, let's have a look. R-Factor 2 yn downloadio gan i fi. Wel, mae R-Factor 2 yn highly regarded. Just, mae'n cael lot o bad press rhan am shit netcode fo. Max Verstappen wedi dweud o byth wedi drifio fe eto. So... Yeah. A race room, dwi'n rhaid i ty race room chweith. Be dwi'n dall ydi, mae pobl sy'n dreifio race room really licio race room. And that's about it. A sgrifi jyst dim profiad a set o corsa efo online. Da, just ignorance a naivety fi dwi'n person. Ond o, oedd hwn bach experiment gan iRacing. A stupid people tha fi yn chwarae fo. Dwi heb di setio fyny steering wheel. I iRacing. Mae gen i fi steering wheel fo. Cool steering. Nou, waar maar. Oh, it's just about. Hydraulic steering wheel weer. Ja, dwi'n neud un run ar hwn i chdi ga'l gweld o, a dwi am neud F4 race wedyn. Stwff fel hyn dwi'n licio. O, nes i ca'l top 20 record yn Great Home World Rally World Rally Generations game stream dwytha fyd. Ie, mos i di sylwi, dwi'n yn y pobol na sy'n neud y steering wheel aros yn llonydd. Os dwi'n licio'r dash yna. Oh, no. Oh shit. Ooh. Wow! Ja, dwi'n mynd i off hwnna. Diolch yn golibio, Ellis. Ie, dwi am neud ras F4, dwi'n meddwl. Dwi am neud F4. For race. Have a look. We. Let's have a look. The clock on that. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. What? Please. Quarter to. An hour. Nu we Mr. Stead. Hon. Una minut. Minut. Hyn di problem. $9.22. Yeah. Fuck it. Street stock. Let's go. We're racing. Woo-har. We be racing. Hwn i'r holl fans o NASCAR Street Stock yn y chat. O, mae hyn yn stressful. Hyn yn mega stressful. Rhywbeth ar y tân. Wish me luck. Ffwc sy'n allan? But
Low car up high. Car stopped up high. Low car up high.
oh my god, ydw i'n join i'r ras heb dim fucking... heb dim practice. Oh my god, let's go. Let's go. Dwi'n meddwl gwybod sy'n allan o'r fucking pit. Os dwi'n goffan y ras ma bydd yn one of the best drives ever. Ella na rang da.
Slow car down low. Car stopped ahead. Car
Whoa,
inside.
that's it, yeah. The ability.
Clear inside.
Oh, we got a flasher. We got a flasher.
Slow car down low. Slow car down low. Practice is over. Head on in.
Oh, it is scary. Scary.
Green, green, green. Okay, here comes your first time lap. One more lap.
Ooh, that's like...
Checkered flag, checkered flag.
We're best fast, hun. Whoa, okay. Okay. That ain't good. We're gonna be sub 16. Legit the goal. By to practice racing, so the goal done. Damn.
Line up on the inside. Closed. Pit road is closed.
It's all about surviving. It's all I need to do. racing, boys! We're racing. So. Dwi'n teimlo fan y rwy'n di siynta fi o fewn y lap gynta. Ar inside though, should be. Should. Faint o bobl sy'n mics yma. Woo! We be racing. Pwy yna neud?
One lap to green.
40 laps. Oh my god!
About to go green. Stay focused.
Step 2 over at least.
The pace car is in. Green, green, green.
Right, nice.
Slow car down low. Go high.
Oh my god, just
Car
that.
inside.
It's gonna be
Still
severe!
there. Hold your line. Clear.
Please didn't go me. Oh, fel ti'n neud, ie?
Car inside. Still inside. Clear. Slow car down low. Slow car down low. Car stopped ahead. Car outside. Clear.
Oh my
Go.
god!
Car stopped up high.
I'm dal i nôl, I think.
Outside.
Oh, come on!
Car inside. Clear. Car outside. Still there. Clear. inside. Still there, inside. Clear.
O no, gen i podium ar y gweill fyna fydd.
Outside. Outside, clear. Slow car down low.
Yeah, man. Dwi'n gwybod o Thomas y Tank na mynd i beth i fi. Ooh, the bunch up of yma.
Slow car ahead. Slow car ahead. Slow car ahead. Car stop ahead. Go high. Go high. Go high. Car stop ahead. Go low. Go high. Car inside.
Woo!
Clear inside.
O, Thomas y Tank na nôl.
Car outside. Clear outside if you want it. Car outside. Stay low. There is a car on the high side. Still there. Stay low. There is a car on the high side. Outside. Clear outside if you want it.
Evelyn.
10 to go, this time by.
6th, rwsyd de. Car coch na'n ennill. Ie, na fo. Mae'n rhywbeth really call am yna. Ooh. Seriously? Dwi wedi gael y bywyd yn y
Got
TS.
5 laps to go.
Dwi'n meddwl, dwi ddim digon cyffyrddus i... Ie, sbeth dwi'n dechrau... Dwi'n mynd actually gwffio mynd hyn, dwi'n meddwl, fel am 1. Number 7 na. Dwi'n gwffio. Ie, no.
You've got 2 laps to go.
Oh my god. Reference, mae TS reference a di mynd. Whoa, beth yw'n...
Last lap.
Please, dim y fi!
Go low, go low.
Oh!
Car stop down low. Car outside. Slow car down low. Outside, clear. Outside.
Oh!
Alright, there's the checkered flag. Nice run. Solid work.
5th yn diwedd. Dwi'n mynd rhoi 5th, de?
Okay, the race is over. Bring it on
Dwi'n
in.
mynd rhoi 5th, de? Woo! Woo! Your results. Have a look. Yeah, rating fi fyny 43. Safe rating fi fyny 0.1. Oh, 56. Yeah, the Seth, she's sticker fo. So mi heb di cael spin na. Is i dod nôl yn P5 efo spin. So I'll take that. I'll take that. What do you mean the plus? That's good. Okay, back then. Wait. A 9:45 race? Yeah. Hwn yn fixed. Are you fixed? Fixed. Sure. Formula D. Series info. hwnna wahanol i... Na, rai fi fix, allai am wneud yr un. Dwi ddim yn mynd i bwtio yn efo. Na 10.45 ddo. Ie, dwi'n mynd i... Fuck it. Tria hwn. Fuck it. Join. Iawn. No practice. Dwi angen... Oh, shit. Alt I iddo? Na, oce. Ti'n trio beth? Control Z. Control Z. Okay. All 10. Okay. Control F12. Okay. We and then no. Middle. Filler. Then. Save car. Okay.
Sorry.
Ooh. Whoa, getting good. Thing.
My friend.
Whoa. Fuck off.
Car stopped ahead. Go left.
Oh, no. Easy third. Now to third? Oh, no, do second. Sviaun! Go.
Car on your left. Clear.
That's a second hit. That's a second hit.
Car stopped ahead. Slow car ahead. Car stopped ahead. Slow down. You got a penalty for cutting the course.
Okay, we've hund kost. We hund bara med efter. Jag har bara inspiration. Oh my god, hold on. Sad.
Slow car ahead.
You're on third or fourth. Oh my god, we're number fourth. Oh my god, stop.
Car stop on the left.
Oh, okay.
Green flag, green flag. Okay, here comes your first time lap.
Got second gear in there. Nah! Nah! Hey, it's that fan. Oh my god, there was. Oh my god, there was. Oh my god, there was.
One more lap.
Fucking hell! No. Another one to go. Fuck henne. Jag med sitt gear ut. Problem. Där. Sweat. Life of a racing driver. Am I right, lads? Am I right? Ooh, jag vet ej. I'm here for the safety rating. I'm here for the safety. Vad ska vi göra? Oh no, Red Bull guy.
Left side. Come back on the right. Come back on the right. Clear. Slow car ahead. Right side. Slow car ahead. Clear.
Oh my God.
Go right. Car on your left. Slow car ahead. Clear.
Oh my God!
Right side,
No!
go left.
Get over it!
In the middle. 3 wide. Clear.
Ben fuck, kan ik het willen?
Right. Clear. Left side. Clear. Car on your left. Clear on the left.
Hier gaan. There's A-attacks about.
You got a slow car on the right. Car stops
Oh
on
my
the right.
God!
Go right.
No! Oh my God! Flipping hell. Oh my God! Oh, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Oh, yeah, safety. Oh my God. Doe dat voor de stream, hoor. Wat een embarrassing. Wat een embarrassing. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Wat een embarrassing. Goodbye.